In this lesson, I will be teaching you how to spot trends, learn the various types of trends, and learn how to start trading these trends. So there are actually three types of trends. You have an uptrend, you have a downtrend, and you have a sideways trend. These are the three major types of trends. Now, what we're looking at here is Aussie USD on a 30-minute time frame. If I were to switch this over to a 1-hour time frame, we see that the trend is actually a little different. We have trends within trends. So on the smaller time frame, we have an uptrend, a downtrend, and a sideways trend. But on the larger time frame, we could also look at this as one long sideways trend. And majority of the time, the market is continuing to consolidate. In other words, the market is continuing to trade within a range or within an up and down pattern, typically sideways motion. However, this trend can also be traded in a rising channel. Let me just delete some of these to explain. So the rising channel would look something like this. So it's trading within this channel here, or you have the declining channel as I outlined before, which was this. So this is the declining channel. Okay. So what I'd like you guys to do is go ahead, look at your MT4 platform, and try to spot the trends. Try to spot and identify if the trend is moving sideways, if it's moving upwards, if it's moving downwards, and so on. And what I'd like you to do is take a look at the trends on the larger time frames. So on a 4-hour time frame, a 1-hour time frame, and even on a 5-minute time frame. So you can see that on a 5-minute time frame, if we were to have a downward trend, this downward trend on a larger time frame might actually look more like it's still trading within either a rising trend, so you have the rising channel, or another way of looking at it is this could very well simply be a sideways trend as well. So there was a slight tilt to the upside in this rising trend, but from this area over to the right, you could also consider that as sort of a sideways trend. So there's a few perspectives, and this is one of the reasons why the market moves up and down, is because of the various perspectives that traders have when analyzing various charts. Okay. So the assignment, guys, is to go ahead and try to spot the trends in your MT4, and once you have been able to do that, we'll move forward with the next lesson.